Hey YouTube, it's your girl Glamourgirlslay and I'm back again with another video. So if you clicked this video, you're probably wondering, how do I do a YouTube banner? Well, you found the right video and you're in the right place. So with a couple easy steps, I'll be happy to show you. Just stay tuned and pay close attention to this video. I will be moving a little fast, but I'll try to go slow because I do know that some people will not understand. But if you do have any questions, be sure to leave your questions down below in my comment section. I will be happy to answer anything, and I'm just grateful that I'm able to help people.
Town, dancing all around till the disco ball pops, but I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell ya, don't hate me cause I get attention, don't turn me into what.
So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And please be sure to tap in and hit that notification bell so you can be alerted whenever your girl do a new video. As always, thank you for watching. And without further ado, we're going to get right into the video. So the first thing that I'm doing is searching for the YouTube banner template on Google. And what you're going to do is save the image to your phone. So after you save the image from Google to your phone, you're going to search for whatever background picture that you want as your banner. I decided to go with the marble gold background, as you can see, and I'm going to save the image to my phone. So after the image is saved, you're going to go into the Phonto app. Once you're inside of the Phonto app, you're going to go to plain image and you're going to resize that image to 2560 by 1440. So the reason that we're doing this is because that is the standard thumbnail size, and you're going to save that to your phone. So after the image is saved, you're going to go and then you're going to add another plain image. This time to the next plain image, you're going to do 2560 by 423. And the reason that we're doing this is because that is going to be the size of your banner. So you're actually going to add an image on top of that. And the image that you're adding is the image that you saved from Google. You're going to take and enlarge this image over the image that you just resized. And what that is going to do is simply just give you that banner size that we're needing. And you're going to save it to your phone. So after the image is saved to your phone, you're going to go back and reset everything and add that first plain image that we downloaded, the 2550 by the 1440. Then you're going to take and add an image and add that YouTube template, and then you're going to enlarge it. So right now we're enlarging that YouTube template over the 2550 photo by the 1440. You want to make sure that you get it to be as accurate as possible. So once that is completed, you're going to add another image, and the image that we're going to be adding is the banner. So now that we have that banner size, we're going to just enlarge it just enough to fit inside of that template. And then you want to make sure, like I said, that that is accurate as possible. So by now, you should be able to tap on that template picture, and then you can remove it. So this is just us getting that perfect size banner to make sure that when we upload it, it fits perfectly. Then you're going to delete the template. Once the template is deleted, there you have it. That is your banner. So you can go on ahead and just save that image. Congratulations, we completed the first step. So now this is where the fun begins. We're going to start designing. I'm going to add a text because I'm looking to do this translucent design that I've seen other YouTubers have with my name. Phonto is an awesome app because it just gives you the ability to add text over your images. So what I'm doing is adding my name, and I'm using the alpha, and I'm just making it lighter so that way it has that translucent look that I'm going for. I'm going to hit add text again, and I'm going to add my name 3 times. and then I'm going to put it on top of the photo, and then I'm going to repeat the same step and add it another 3 times. So keep in mind, you definitely do not have to do this step. This is something that I decided to do by preference. But if you want to use this idea, you're more than welcome to use it. This is your banner, so just feel free to do it however you like in whatever way that describes you, because you are the one that's going to be using this banner. So now I'm just adding images to the top of the banner photo. I'm just putting images over it that I like. Phonto gives you the ability to do so much. You can add images on top of the items. Also add text on top of these images as well. On Phonto there's a variety of different fonts, and I'm just picking the fonts that I like best, so you do not have to use the same font as me. You can actually pick whatever font it is that you like. So a special tip is you always want to put a subscribe on top of your photo, because of course you want people to subscribe to your channel. So what better way than to advertise the subscribe button by adding it on your YouTube banner. And as you can see, everything is perfectly on top of the banner. I'm not going outside to the outside area, if you can see that white part on the outside, because if you do that, then it's gonna mess everything up. So you want to just make sure you're staying inside of that image and just only putting your images on top of that little banner piece.
It's like we want the same things, but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. Oh, now you feel some type of way.
I know that it may have seemed a little bit confusing, so if you have to like restart this video and just press pause in certain areas, make sure you do that as well, so you can understand everything step by step if I went too fast for you. Designing the banner is actually the easiest part of the process. The hardest part of doing this would actually have to be just resizing the image, but I don't actually find it hard if you just pay attention to detail, because that's all you're doing. You're just paying attention to detail, and you're going to just make sure that you follow these instructions, because that's just going to make the process go even more smoothly for you. So here's the part where I like to just look over the image and make sure that I'm happy with the placement of everything. And I actually was, so I successfully made sure that I saved it to my phone. And it's very important to make sure that you save the image so that your hard work won't go to waste. So here's the finished banner result, and I'm actually happy with how it turned out. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, and thanks for watching.